Hello po, isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay January 24, 2023, Martes. At welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa Philex Mining. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start po ako mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko po binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 24, 2023. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay galing po ng BDO Securities at sabi niya dito, BSPC's inflation below 2% by 2024. Pero that's a year from now. No? Government eyes 3,600 infra projects worth $372 billion US dollars. SecB sees sustained double-digit loan growth. Prime Infra takes over Cebu Waste Management Firm. And Philex expanding Padcal to adjacent mine site. Ito po ang ating main news. Philippines eye shift from ore exporter to processor. Ang main news natin ay galing po ng Business World, no? Dito po sa corporate news niya ay Philex targets to acquire shares in Itogon Miner, pero I'll just be reading the summary from BDO Securities, no? PX expanding Padcal to adjacent mine site. PX is looking at expanding its Padcal mine in Benguet by investing in Makawiwili Gold Mining and Development Company Incorporated, a mineral exploration and production company in Itogon, Benguet Province. Makawiwili has 800 hectares of contract area under its mineral production sharing agreement and has been exploring various mineral deposits, including gold and copper, for several decades. This is a good addition or extension to the Padcal mine. I hope that this is the start of something good and it would ride the wave of higher metal prices in gold and copper. Philex Chairman Manny Pangilinan said. So yan po ang ating main news at tingnan natin ang inyong mga comments. Check lang po natin kung meron. Raquel Robrigado commented, Sir, wag po ninyong basahin. Okay po, hindi ko po babasahin to. Okay, paki-analyze po FB at MER, sabi ni Clarissa David. Okay, we will analyze that. Yan po ang mga comments natin. In the meantime, ngayon po ay 11:12. Tignan po natin ang lagay ng ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ito po ay up 23.53 points or 0.33%. Bullish po ang ating index. Ang ating most active stocks naman ay pwede nating silipin. Most active is Metro Pacific. Nasa 435 or 6.88% up. Pumangalawa si Ali at 3310, 0.91% up. RLC is up 3.07%, nasa 1546. MEG is up 224, up 5.16%. And Jollibee is 1.65% up, nasa 246 na po siya. So that's it. As of 11:13, up po ang ating index. So I'll see you later as the index closes this afternoon at 3. Sige po, we're back again At it's a few minutes past 3, ang ating index ay bumaba ng 28.18 points or 0.40% down. So makikita po natin yung ating chart ay nagko-consolidate lang po siya dito. Mukhang flat in the past few days. Ang ating market activity, 89 companies ang bumaba, 103 ang bumabante, 48 ang hindi nagbago. Ang ating all-share index ay bumaba ng 0.13%, almost flat din po. Ang ating sectoral indices, karamihan po sa kanila ay bumaba. Ang financial holding companies, mining, properties at services ay bumaba. Industrials lamang po ang umakyat, 0.57%. So overall ay down po ang ating market. Yung most active stocks po natin, ang number 1 po ay Metro Pacific, 4.35. Kanina umaga ay 1 centavo up pa ito, no? Ali is 0.15% up. Pagkatapos si RLC ay 5.47%, nasa 1582 na po. BDO is number 4, almost flat, and TEL is up 1504 or 1.76%. So tingnan po natin si FB, si MER, Metro Pacific, Ali, Robinson's Land, at tignan din natin si TEL. So unahin po natin si San Miguel Food and Beverage. Yan, almost flat din po, no? Losing 10 centavos or 0.23% down, pero bullish po ang dating sa akin ito sapagkat nag-crossover na po yung ating mga indicators sa ating candlestick sa bandang January 9 and January 10 at ngayon po ay nasa ilalim na po silang lahat at overbought na po ang stock. Ang RSI po nasa 70.94 at yung pinaka-support level, we can take the EMA 100 as our support nasa 41.17. Samantalang ang pinakamalapit na resistance, nakikita ko po dito sa bandang 46.50. So, it's very near the resistance level already, pero paakyat po ang stock. Ingat lang tayo, overbought na po ang San Miguel Food and Beverage. Next, we have MER. Tatanggal daw to sa MCSI, no? So, roller coaster pa rin po si MER. And it's sideways to bearish right now. Yung support level, nandito po, nakikita ko sa area to, yan, nasa 280. Pero umakyat na po yan, no? Kasi noong December, nasa baba po siya, nasa 277. Ang resistance nandito po sa 310. But right now, it's sideways to bearish po ang movement ni TEL. Dahil ang balita ay matatanggal po siya sa MSCI Index this February. So, pina-price in na po siya ng market. RSI, nasa baba lang po. Nasa 46.87 below the midpoint. Si Metro Pacific, matagal po siyang natenga sa 3 piso, no? Pero ngayon po, nagkaroon po siya ng green engulfing candlestick. Pangalawang green engulfing na po ito. Ang una po ay nung January 10, where it gained 7.78% or it's 28 centavos, no? Napakalaking akyat kasi yung previous closing nung January 9, ang close po niya is 360. Tapos naging 388. Tapos umakyat ng konti. Nag-close po siya yesterday at 407. Ngayon nasa 435. So very strong po si Metro Pacific. And it is already overbought. Ano? Overbought na po siya dito ng January 10. Nag-overbought ulit siya dito ng January 16. And again, today it's overbought at 75.85. So, Metro Pacific is before one of the most undervalued stock. Tingnan na natin yung fundamentals ng Metro Pacific. 6 pesos po So ngayon at 407, yesterday's prices nasa 47. Ngayon po siguro nasa 40% na lang po yung upside niya. Nasa 435 na po kasi siya ngayon, pero bullish po si Metro Pacific, ha? And for a time, it has been moving down. So tignan niyo po yung plot ni Metro Pacific. Kung ipa-plot po natin yan, tignan niyo po yung blue or yung black line. Tignan niyo po yung black line. Since this part here, draw nga tayo ng parallel channel dito. Yan si Metro Pacific, yan po yung kasaysayan niya, and it has been moving downwards since this point here. Yan po siya. So it has been moving downwards since, makikita niyo po, yan po yung kasaysayan niya. So more or less, it has been moving down, ngayon lang po siya bumabawi. And since this high point here, noong December 2020, it has been moving downwards. Yan po si Metro Pacific. Ngayon po ay bumabawi ang Metro Pacific dahil there are news of a new investor coming in. Ngayon po, support and resistance ni Metro Pacific, tingnan po natin. Nakikita ko po yung support niya at this level. Now, let's draw another parallel channel. Kasi we can only know the support and resistance through a parallel channel, at least on my view, no? 445 po ang resistance. Ang support po nasa 391 sa ngayon. And this is from January 6 up to today. Yan po ang support and resistance ni Metro Pacific. And mind you, there is volume. At expect the stock to move up in the coming days. Ngayon po, ang next po ay si Ayala Land. Yan, paakyat pa rin po si Ayala Land. At maganda po ang kanyang chart dahil very strong po ang recovery ni Ali from a low noong September 30 na umabot po ng 2270. Nasa 3285 na po ngayon. Ang low point po niya is nasa 2235 Kamakailan lang po, September lang po yun. Or sometime October, no? Ngayon, if we will be drawing again a parallel channel, yan po si Ayala Land. Kwento po ni Ayala Land ay paakyat po ang kanyang movement with a slight overshoot, but definitely Ayala Land is moving up, and support, I can see it here, nasa 3460 and resistance at 3103. It is bullish. RSI malakas, nasa 67.10. RLC naman tayo. Si RLC, by the way, kung papansin po ninyo, yung ating video po ay meron na pong commercials dahil na validate ko na po yung requirement ni Google on the address. Kaya po nag-resume na po uli yung aking commercials at marami po salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Panoorin niyo po yung mga commercials or advertisements. At marami po salamat. And for a month and a half ay nawalan po ako ng commercials dahil habang hindi pa po na-validate yung validation requirement ni Google. So RLC is humahabol po siya, no? On a short and medium term ay may very bullish na po, no? Si RLC. And there is a green engulfing candlestick. I think this is a breakout. May volume po kasi. Yesterday po, nagkaroon po ng short candlestick with volume, and today there is a lot of volume with a lot of increase, no? 5.47%. So this is definitely a breakout. Ang dating support ni RLC nandito po sa, yan po yung support niya, 1510. Ngayon po ay nasa 1582. Halos mabibreak na po yung resistance niya Ang resistance po ay nandito sa area to, nasa 1660 to 1670 po ang next resistance level ni RLC. And it is moving up, so expect yung stock na umakyat pa in the coming days. RSI nasa 6385, napakalakas po nitong si RLC technically. Finally, we have TEL. Si TEL ay moving sideways lang, pero more or less paakyat pa rin po siya, no? On a short term basis, umaakyat po siya. Kasi po ang low point niya po nandito noong December 19, nung yung capex niya ay nagkaroon ng overrun, no? Capex overrun po yung problema niya, pero magbabounce back po yan. Ngayon po ay nagbabounce back. Ang lowest point po niya at that time was 1,130, pero ngayon ay nasa 1,504, so inching up po si TEL. Ngayon po, kung titingnan po natin, ang nearest resistance, plot ka natin nandito. Nasa 1719 Pero paakyat pa rin po ang dating ni TEL sa akin Support nandito po sa 1208, pero malayo na po yung support level niya. Higher support nandito po. Nandyan sa 141802. Pero bullish po siya on the short and medium term. Ang black line po, yung long-term indicator, nasa itaas pa po. Meaning na kailangan pa pong umakyat ang presyo ng stock para masabi nating long-term ay trending upwards na po siya. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-24 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chitoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.